Hey reefers, my name is Danny and I'm building a mesh top for my reef tank. This is my first YouTube video and I'm excited to start this new journey in the saltwater hobby. I like the stock lid but needed a mesh top because I wanted better gas exchange for my aquarium. The stock LED in the fluval also gets very hot and the temperature of my water would fluctuate, which is bad for the corals and my livestock. All the materials I used for this project I purchased at the Home Depot. I spent around $20, so it is an affordable modification you can do to your tank. You'll need a hacksaw, measuring tape, Sharpie, super glue, scissors, bird netting, screen frame kit, spline tool, and 4 washers. Step 1. You want to measure your tank before you go to Home Depot so you know how much frame material is needed. After you get your measurements, head to the Home Depot. You can find a screen frame kit in the door section. The kit is $11 and comes with 4 corners, spline, and your aluminum frames. They come in a white and bronze finish, but I like the look of the bronze. Make sure you also grab the spline tool as well. It will be needed. Next, head to the garden section to grab some bird netting for the screen mesh. You can go on bulk resupply and purchase the 1/4-inch black netting that is 3 by 7 feet for $11.99 plus shipping, but I find bird netting more affordable at around $7, and it is 14 by 14 feet, so you get more material to work with. Here's a diagram of how I cut the frame. Remember to account for the 1/2 inch of the corner pieces when cutting your frame. Step 3. Mark and cut the frames. By the way, don't be like me guys. Use a sturdy surface and wear safety goggles when using the hacksaw. Step 4. Attach the corners to the frame. After you have all the corners attached, this is how your frame should look. Step 5. You want to cut the bird netting to about the same size as the frame. Step 6. Install the spline using the spline roller. Step 7. Cut the excess netting around the frame. Here's what the finished mesh lid should look like. I super glued the 4 washers so the frame won't fall into the tank. Now let's see how the mesh lid looks on the fluval. Thank you guys for watching. If you have a question, just leave a comment. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for the next video and hope y'all have an easy reef.